still battling the sea of dark gray and black plastics that are inside here, but I'm slowly winning the battle here. So today's little add-on is going to be up here for the clock. So we have some silver here, silver bezels. I found these. They do sell these on AliExpress. If you guys ever were looking for those, since Amazon and all the other companies are out of them, AliExpress still has them. So I'm looking at the clock. Again, down here, that came out nice. And then, of course, we have the handles and stuff here. So just a smidge more silver on the center part. And this is what I came up with. So what we came up with for the FJ, I mean, this little guy right here. It's actually made of aluminum, not plastic. And it's got the strips and everything else on there. So let me get it out of the package and have a better look. A little pricey for what it is, but you figure companies that make this, they've got the tooling and stamping all set up. They don't sell that many of them, so they need to try to recoup their cost. I think this was about $26-ish or something like that off of Amazon, but it'll last forever. It's going to look pretty nice. So what I need to do is get the old alcohol and prep the surface around the clock, and then get this installed and let you guys have a look. One thing I noticed, if you guys do get this, from this edge to here is taller on one side than it is on the other. The other side's a little bit different. So before you go sticking this on, just make sure you do a test fit like I just did, and you can figure out which way it goes on the clock, because it's not the same all the way around. So I think one of the things I like about these high quality add-ons from these companies, again, a lot of this stuff isn't cheap, but after you put it on, it looks like it either came from the factory or was an option from the factory. So that dressed up pretty nice. I kind of like that a lot. I've got one more little addition coming in either today or tomorrow, and I'll kind of show you guys hopefully my last addition to the inside as far as silver bits go, to try to dress it up. But that's it. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. So like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.